Hi everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everyone's having a great day. I have a unboxing from Louis Vuitton in Edmonton. So let's go ahead and see what it got. Alright. The new boxes come like that. So let's see here. Alright, let's see. Alright. Here we go. Okay, that's the new boxes with the groom. And it came with Kusama. What is that? Kusama tissue paper. Huh. All right. Let's see what I got here. Okay, we got the box. All right, and then we got a small Kusama desk cover. Okay. All right, got my receipt. This is from the new collection. There we go. That's what it looks like. Oh, and they even gave me a Kusama, one of those pumpkins. And then the ribbon is this, and it matches this here. So that's pretty cool. All right, has anyone else got anything from the collection? I didn't really like it. Too many of the things. This was the only one that I really liked. I wanted a Elma in the black and yellow with the black dots, but it's in vernis leather, which is like patent leather, and that has a tendency to do color transfer, and once you get color transfer on a bag, it's pretty much ruined. Plus, vernis leather, if it cracks, you can't repair it. That's a lot of money if you can't really do too much with it. So yeah, that. Now if it was in epi leather, I may consider getting something, but no, not in vernis, no. All right, that's what that looks like. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay. Came in like that. All right, this is what the Bandeau looks like. Pretty cool. It's got the pumpkin at the bottom. This is white and black. It's got the yellow at the bottom here. And it's got the yellow at the bottom here with Kusama. And then it's got the yellow pumpkin there. And this is actual white and black. I thought this was yellow. Yellow and black. Huh. I'm gonna have to ask. Because I thought the back part here was yellow, not white. So maybe she ordered the wrong one, or I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to ask her. I mean, this is nice, but I don't think this is the one that I ordered. But I will definitely verify it. All right, so that is the Bandeau. And she was supposed to send me some samples, and there's no samples. No, and that's what the tissue paper looks like. All right. So I hope everybody's staying safe. Until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye now.